Sup, guys? Okay, well, I got a new dog the other day. We got it Monday, and it's a little teddy bear, and it's like the size of my other dog's turd. But let's say it's. You want to see it? You want to see it? It's a teddy. It's a baby. It's a teddy. It's a teddy. Here it is. Here it is. Hey, Bella. Say hello. Hello. That's Bella. Her name's Bella. She just like, see? She's only like 6 weeks old, you know? Oh my god. She's gonna be 7 in a couple days. 7 weeks old. Beep, beep, beep. You like the camera? Yeah. Yeah. Yep. 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 She likes cameras. Oh no! I crashed at the skate park, guys, the other day, and I got this big old bruise on my leg. Right there. It hurt like a son of a fart. And my knee got all swelled up. That was from riding a stupid mountain bike down a half pipe. Why? Why mountain bikes? Why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know that I'm a human too? I wanna go take a poo in my shoe and be like a hoo. Best song ever, 2016. Son. We're gonna pick it. The puppy attack. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. My little friend. Her name Bella. She's like a chocolate brown almost.